Sassy Flavors family, welcome to another episode of another delicious dish. And on today's menu, I'm gonna show you how to make this creamy no egg, no roux macaroni and cheese. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your water ready. I'm adding some salt in the water, and we're gonna boil our elbow macaroni. You can use any type of macaroni that you like. I'm gonna use the elbow one today. Bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I added the salt in. You're gonna add your macaroni in, and then you're gonna let it come to a boil until it's al dente style, or however many minutes the box tells you. That's how you're gonna do it, okay? Because remember, it's gonna bake in the oven too, okay? So you want to go ahead and cover it. You don't need to add any oil, just a little salt, and you're good to go. And once that's finished, you're gonna set it to the side, and we're gonna get ready to make our cheese base. And I'm gonna put some butter in here. This is unsalted butter. And for our cream today, we're gonna just use heavy cream, okay? Heavy cream. You're gonna add your heavy cream in. Then we're gonna get ready to season it up just a little bit of paprika, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, and salt to taste. Give it a good mix until it looks like this, like that. And for this recipe, I'm using different types of cheeses, and you want to grate your cheese, okay? Do not use the bag cheese. It's gonna make your macaroni and cheese come out really dry. You want to use you want to grate your cheese. You don't want to use bag cheese. So I'm using a combination of Monterey Jack, sharp cheddar, extra sharp, Colby. You can use mozzarella if you want, any cheese of your choice. So you're gonna go ahead and add the cheese until it starts to incorporate. Here I'm adding a little salt. I had a little bit of mozzarella in the fridge, so that's the chunks that you see here that I'm adding in here, okay? So you can give it a good taste, and when it begins to look like it's coming creamy, add some more cheese, because this is mac and cheese, so you want the cheese. If you are watching so far, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and tell a friend to tell a friend that we are making mac and cheese, no roux, no egg, just simple, plain, and get you out the kitchen. Now I do have some recipes where I do have my egg in there, and you can find that at the end of this video, okay? So here, when it begins to look like this, like that, we're good to go. Oh my gosh, yes, that's what you want. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our sauce to our elbow macaroni. And let me tell you, this is so delicious, okay? So creamy, so good that even when you rewarm it the next day, it still is creamy and it's not dry. Remember, you gotta grate your cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice, and you taste it and add accordingly, okay? You're gonna add some more cream, and we're gonna bake this in a 9x13 baking pan in the oven. And this is, oh my gosh, this looks amazing. So you're gonna go ahead and pour it in, and once you finish pouring it in, the leftover grated cheese that you had, you're gonna add some more in here, okay? So you want to make sure you leave some cheese for the tops, because you want that nice cheesy top layer. Have your oven preheating from 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can preheat your oven, and remember this, everything in here is already cooked, so you just really need to bake this for about 15 to about 25 minutes. When it gets to the last 5 minutes, you can put the broiled portion on just to give it that top like that, and get ready to cut. And oh my goodness, the kids couldn't wait to dig in to this creamy mac and cheese. All the ingredients to this recipe will be in the description box of this video. Thank you for watching, liking, and sharing, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!